In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with AI on Skool. And what's cool about this is all we're going to be doing is clicking buttons, which means it's perfect for beginners. What I want to show you here is how people are earning tens of thousands and even hundreds of thousands of dollars per month on Alex Hormozi and Sam Oven's new platform called Skool. And then what I want to show you is how you can take it up a notch and really speed things up using the power of AI. Of course, I'm talking about tools like ChatGPT and dozens of others that you can use to completely automate making money online. Now, I've got the exact steps that you can follow right here. By the way, my name is James Jernigan, but this isn't about me. This is about you and how you can get started making money with AI on the Skool platform. So first things first, if you want to get $900 or more of internet marketing courses for free, then you want to head to profitableBots.com. This is a very limited time offer. This is going to give you access to my Skool community, make money online with AI, and this is for the first 100 people only. So I just created this community a couple hours ago. There's 14 members so far, so if you do the math, you probably have about 24 hours left to take advantage of this and get over $900 of my internet marketing courses for free. So you can do that at profitableBots.com. Now that that's out of the way, I want to give you the big secret, right? Most YouTubers are going to make you wait till the end of the video to give you the secret. I'm just going to tell it to you now up front. The big secret is that artificial intelligence is really just a computer that does stuff faster. And the important thing to note there is that doing nothing faster still accomplishes nothing, right? A lot of people want to come and use AI and they think they can just click a single button here in ChatGPT or whatever tool, and it's just going to put money in their bank account. But that's unfortunately not the case. But what you can see ChatGPT doing here is literally building me the structure of a course that I can then go and monetize. So if we look at the steps here, step one, click the link below to sign up for a Skool account. If this is something you're going to be doing, if you're going to be creating a course and selling it to people, if you use the link down below this video, I will give you free access to my community. Like I said, if you just head to profitableBots.com, you might be able to get in free if you're one of the first 100 people. After that, this will be a paid community. However, if you are another course creator, if you are somebody who's actually going to be taking action and doing this stuff, then I'm happy to just give you free access to my community so that we can grow together, because obviously you're going to be able to learn from the different courses here in my classroom, and I'm adding more of these on an almost daily basis right now. Not only can you do that, but you can connect with the other members, you can share your content in here, and we can all grow together. But anyways, back to the steps for making money on Skool with AI. And again, the point of me showing you this here is so that you don't end up doing nothing faster. That's not what I want. So step one, click the link and sign up for Skool. Pretty self-explanatory. Step two, use ChatGPT to develop your idea, brainstorm, and create the content template only. Now, this is important because a lot of people go waste a ton of time creating content before they even know if anybody wants it. So what I recommend you do is come over here to ChatGPT, and I used a really simple example. You'll probably want to use more details than I did here, but I said I want to create a comprehensive course about using meditation to reduce stress for people who work more than 60 hours per week. So why did I pick that? Well, it's something really specific. If you want to make money, you're able to charge more by addressing really specific pain points. And I picked this because this is something I used to do. I used to work 60 hours per week or more for UPS, driving a truck, delivering packages, and I was very stressed. Now, meditation isn't necessarily something I'm huge on, but I just figured it would be a good example for this demonstration. So ChatGPT literally just said, absolutely, let's start by exploring the key aspects we need to cover in this course: understanding stress, introducing meditation, benefits of meditation, practical techniques for stress reduction, integrating meditation into a busy schedule, overcoming common obstacles, building resilience and mindfulness, long-term sustainability, resources and support, and feedback and reflection. And it's even giving us bullet points here. And so just with this, what we got by typing a couple sentences and clicking a button, we now know exactly what to create. We can go create a video for each one of these bullet points. So then we have a course with 10 sections, a couple, 2 or 3 videos in each section. Pretty self-explanatory stuff. But remember, I said create the content template only. And the reason for that is because if you go waste too much time creating content that people don't want, you're probably not going to make any money, which is why step 3 is to actually go and build out your Skool membership. And again, I just want to remind you that all you're doing here is clicking buttons. There's no coding. This is nothing complicated. We can come in here into my account and click on Classroom here, and I'll show you how easy this is. Like literally just click on these tabs. You can edit anything you want, and to create a new course, we literally just create new course. Look, my new course. That's it. So you type a description here, course description. If I can spell today, right? And you could put a photo if you want for your course. So let's just go ahead and put a photo in there, save that. And so watch how fast this is. I click add, and this is already ready to go here. Now literally all I have to do is click on this module, and we can call this module 1. Right, and then add a video. Look, it just wants a link to a YouTube video. So I can literally just post any YouTube video link in there. I can add text content and links and everything down here. And then all I have to do is click save, and we have a new course. So if I come here to Classroom, you can see the one I just created here. So that's how easy it is to create courses here. And what's cool about this is we're not only just clicking buttons, but they have like a professional whole like membership built here for you. There's a community, so you have a wall here, kind of like Facebook or social media, where people can communicate with you and make their own posts and like and comment and share, right? You have a calendar where you can schedule your upcoming events. You can see who's in your group. You can even gamify the group, which lets people unlock different stuff at different levels, and basically they can earn points in your group by engaging with the community, by commenting on posts and stuff like that. So this is super easy. Step 3, build out your Skool membership. And even if you don't have the videos, what I'm saying to do is to come in here and create your course template. And instead of where you'd have a video, so like let's say if I just click on this, so I have a couple sections here. I'm still building this, but you can see here we've got a title, we've got a video, we've got some links down beneath. Instead of putting this video here, just put a video asking people what they want, or put content coming soon. And then in your community, you actually want to ask people. So here you can see I have a post here. What can I do for you? What is the most important thing you want to learn about AI as soon as possible? And the reason I ask that is because I want to create the exact content people want. So I have some older courses here. This is courses I created before I was on the Skool platform, and I've sold them elsewhere for hundreds of dollars each, which is again why I say if you join now, you can get at this moment in time over $900 of internet marketing courses for free just by going to profitablebots.com. So to skip ahead here, even if it's not free when you get there, if everybody's already claimed this deal, it's still going to be an insane deal at whatever price it is, because you're getting thousands of dollars of internet marketing courses, and then you're also getting access to the other members in the community, as well as if we come here to the community, you'll get the option to get help from me personally here inside the group. So all of that is inside the group, and you know, whether you get in free or you pay for it, it's going to be a screaming deal either way. But let's get back to the list. So you've built out your membership, right? Just kind of your templatized membership. You might not have the exact content in there, but that's okay. The next step is to promote like crazy. Now, I'll show you how. All you have to do is join my community. Again, you can do that by going to profitablebots.com. And if you look in here, I already have a class on how to profit from short videos. This is going to show you how to get attention with short videos like TikToks, Reels, YouTube Shorts. If you want to do cold email, I'll show you how to send over 100,000 cold emails per day. And I'm currently working on a course for YouTube CTR manipulation, which is going to show you how to get your YouTube videos on the first page of search results by basically cheating. Look, I'm just the messenger. I'm just showing you how it works. I'm not telling you you have to go and cheat on YouTube, but the information is there if you want it. So the reason you're going to want to promote like crazy is obviously if you want to make money with a membership, particularly using AI, you are going to need people to sell it to. So you start promoting your group, you get people into this community, and again, 14 members in a couple hours. Now, I have a little bit of experience doing this before. Like I said, I've sold courses, I've built memberships before. But the point is, if you want to get people into your membership, you need to promote like crazy, and I'll show you exactly how to do that inside of my membership. So Step 5 is to ask your new members what they actually want. I mentioned that earlier with explaining how this whole process works. So if you do end up joining my community here, make sure to come and answer this question right here. What can I do for you? Literally tell me what you want. Tell me what kind of content you want. I'll create it, and then everybody's happy. And so I recommend you do the same thing inside your membership. Ask your new members what they actually want, and then go back and make it. You have the template, so now all you have to do is edit the template and create the content, which is step 6. Step 6, create the content. So of course you could do this manually or with AI tools, and I've made a list for you at copythelist.com. So obviously people love humanized content, so you're probably going to do better by actually recording this content yourself, whether you do faceless content like I'm doing here with a screen share, or whether you actually get on camera and show your face. That's probably going to have better results, but what I've done for you is made this super easy. If you head to copythelist.com, all you have to do is click one of these green buttons. You don't even have to put your email address in. There's no opt-in or anything. You just come to copythelist.com, decide whether you want this spreadsheet in your Google Sheets account or if you just want to download it directly to your device. And what this spreadsheet is a spreadsheet I've made of my favorite AI affiliate offers and different SaaS, software as a service tools, and various internet marketing stuff that you can promote as an affiliate online, which means you can make money just by sharing these links. So it says here all you need to do is click the link, register as an affiliate, and then share your link where interested people will click. But what I want to show you here is there's tons of AI tools that you can use to create content and streamline your workflow here on this list. There's an AI video and social media marketing tool, an AI funnel maker, an AI voice cloner and generator, automated CRM and business management, AI chatbot for your website, AI copywriting robot, all kinds of powerful automation tools right here that you can not only use to create the content for your school course and really save a lot of time. To be honest, you could use these tools and probably get a full course together in a day or less than a couple days using these AI tools. But what's even more powerful about these tools at copythelist.com, again, is that you can make money promoting these as an affiliate. And if you really want to take this to the next level, you can come in here in your school community and put links. Like here's one for automated funnel software. So this is an affiliate link. If somebody clicks this and they sign up for this software, I get paid. Another thing you can do is come inside the classroom here and actually create courses on how to use these different tools from this list, right? And then so you're making money on top of money on top of money. You have people paying to be in your membership, or maybe it's a free membership, right? You could do a free membership, but let's assume you charge $20, $20 to $100 per month for someone to be in your membership. So you're already getting $20 to $100 per month. And now they come in here and they learn about how to do what you do, and they see, oh, you use these tools. Well, I want to use these tools. I want to get the same results that you're getting, so they sign up for the tools. So now you're getting paid $20 a month for your membership. You're making another $50 a month from the software that they're using, and you could see how you can suddenly stack these offers. You could say, well, you need this automated business software to manage your leads, and so they sign up for that. And then you say, okay, well, you're spending an awful lot of time creating your podcast. Why don't you use the AI voice cloner? So now they're paying for 2 or 3 of these different tools, and you are making recurring income every single month from work you did one time, basically from automation. And AI can play a huge role in that, but it's important to remember that AI is really just a fancy computer that does stuff faster. So if you're doing the wrong thing faster, or worse, doing nothing faster, well, then you're still accomplishing nothing. So what I'd recommend you do is follow these 6 steps. This is the best way I can consolidate what I've not only learned from my own experience, but from spending tons of hours studying these other more successful creators, people who are making tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars per month, doing the exact thing I'm showing you here. Now, the really powerful thing is a lot of these people have not even started using AI and automation. They are just doing this manually, which gives you a huge advantage. So If you're ready to get started with this, like I said, the link to join my community is profitablebots.com. That's a shortcut. It's just going to bring you right here to this page where you can hopefully get free access if you are one of the first 100 members. And if you're not, like I said, whatever price you see this for, it's still going to be an insane deal, because what I'm showing you in these courses is what I've used to generate tens of thousands, probably close to $100,000 online at this point. Now, this did take me a few years, so what I'm trying to do is streamline the process so that it doesn't end up taking you years to make thousands of dollars online. Instead, what I want to do is put you in hyperdrive and show you exactly what tools can speed this up so that you can start making money as soon as possible. So that about wraps it up. Make sure to claim your $900 of free or very cheap courses from profitablebots.com. And if you actually want to start doing this stuff, if you want to create your own community and monetize it, then like I said, click the link down below and sign up for a Skool account. And if you use the link below this video, I will give you free access to my community so that you can just learn everything I know, and again, hopefully shave some time off of uh, the length of time it takes you to actually monetize this and start making money with it. So other than that, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to click the bright red subscribe button down below so that you see more content like this in the future. If you want to see the content right away as soon as I upload it, then be sure to click this bell icon. That'll give you notifications on your phone each and every time I upload a video about making money with AI. And as you can see, I upload these videos almost daily. So if you're looking for more content about how to make money online with AI, you know what to do. Click the red subscribe button down below. And other than that, I hope you have a great day. I hope you make a ton of money online, and I can't wait to see you in the next AI money making video.